How to search on Netflix. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can search on Netflix. As Netflix is a popular streaming service that provides wide variety of movies, TV shows and original content. It allows subscribers to watch content. Now to explore your favorite TV shows or movies on Netflix, follow these steps. First of all, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com to enter the official website of Netflix. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right you will find the magnifying glass. You just simply have to click on this magnifying glass and there you will find the search bar. Tap on the search bar and there type the title of the movie, TV show, director, actor or genre you want to find. As you type, Netflix will display relevant search results in a real time. Once you see the content you are looking for, go ahead and click on it to view more details or start watching. So that's it. Searching on Netflix is simple and allows you to quickly find the content you want to watch. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.